my brothers and sisters, around the country, and I am proud of it, rich and heritage. Today's good thought: believing yourself is the first secret of success. Thank you, all. Good morning to all. My name is Vinay. I am from UKG class. Today's new trust me. Do not doubt someone. Good morning, everyone. My name is SSV from UKG class. Today's puzzle: wake up meaning stop sleeping. Thank you, all. To all, my name is Madhu from UKG class. Today is ATM. Have a big mom. Example to be talked to. Thank you, have a nice day. Good morning, everyone. My name is Rohana from UKG class. Today, GK question: how many hours are there in a day? Answer is 24 hours. Who started Ganesh Chaturthi festival as a public celebration? Answer is Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Who first Prime Minister of India? Answer is Jawaharlal Nehru. Who